Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Look, here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash, and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course. We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. That's strange. The rollers are meant to wash the bubbles off. Aha! That's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Hooray! The car wash is working, and Baby Truck is sparkling clean. It's see you around from Gecko. Bye!